everyone, it's Evelyn here, and today I am doing my hair. I am trying the Olaplex products for the very first time. This is not a sponsored video. Olaplex repairs all types of damage due to thermal factors, chemical factors, mechanical factors, and environmental factors. So today I'm going to give these products a try. I'm using number 0 and number 3 first, and then I'll be using the number 4 and 5, which are the shampoo and conditioner. Are y'all ready? Let's go. I have sectioned my hair into 4s. The first product that I'm using is the Olaplex number 0. Olaplex number 0 primes the hair to absorb nourishment for maximum repair. It is a professional inspired treatment that primes hair for deeper repair with the highest dose of patent Olaplex technology in any take-home product. It builds hair bonds, strengthens and protects hair integrity, used as the first step in a 2-part system with number 3. This goes on first, and I will put it on and allow it to set for about 10 minutes, and then I'll add the other product on top of that. So let's get busy. The directions say to apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from root to tip. Leave on the hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Olaplex number 3 is the hair perfector. It is the best seller in an at-home treatment. It is not a conditioner. It reduces breakage and visibly strengthens the hair, improving its look and feel. It will restore your hair's healthy appearance and texture by repairing damage and protecting the hair structure. After the 10 minutes is up, apply number 3. Use number 3 1 time per week for damaged hair 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair. For best results, shampoo with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5. All done, and I'm going to let this set for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. It's time to rinse out this number 3 and see what we're working with. Look at that. Those curls are nice. Yes. Look at that though. We're going to get to rinsing out the number 3 here. Olaplex number 4 is a bond maintenance shampoo. It is highly nourishing and it is a reparative shampoo. It repairs, protects hair from everyday stresses, including damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds, leaves the hair easier to manage, shinier, healthier with each use. Proven to reduce breakage and strengthen all types of hair. really good. It feels pretty soft actually. So shampoo is pretty good. Olaplex #5 is the bond maintenance conditioner. It leaves the hair easier to manage, shinier and healthier with each use. It protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken ends. It's color safe and will strengthen your hair stronger than ever. As you can see, it is pretty hot and steamy in the shower because my lens is fogging up, y'all, but bear with me. The directions say leave on for 3 minutes. I am about to take a shower, so it will be longer than 3 minutes, and I'll see you back later. Hey, I'm back. I'm taking it down and getting ready to rinse it out. The hair feels really good. It looks shiny, and I like this conditioner. I really do. I am done with shampooing and conditioning my hair and taking my shower. So let's see what Olaplex has done to my hair. My hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned. No products has been put in my hair at all. No leave-in, no nothing. It's just straight out of the shower hair. Okay, so I still see my little dangle here. Y'all see that? But it's not hanging as much as it was. So I am gonna continue to use Olaplex and see what Olaplex does. I have my eye on something else though that's not Olaplex, so I don't want to mention the brand in this video. My hair feels really good. It feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry or anything. It feels soft. I like the shampoo and the conditioner. The shampoo was so good. It felt so good in my hair. Very soft and smooth and creamy as far as it being in the hair. And the conditioner felt pretty good too. It didn't have a whole lot of slip, but I wasn't trying to detangle my hair with the conditioner at all. But I like it. I like the way it smelled. The shampoo and conditioner smell pretty good. The treatment, let me tell you guys about the treatment right quick. The first product that I put on my hair, which is the #0, it was a familiar smell to me. When I was in cosmetology school, I did a few permanent waves. And that's what that smells like to me, just a little bit. Permanent waves are really stinky, kind of loud, but the product that we use to neutralize that, that's what it smelled like a little bit. Yeah, I didn't know if I was using enough of the product, and then I think for #3 one, I think I was using way too much. This is how my hair looks, and it is wet. So let me show you guys my hair all the way around. I can't get over how good my hair feels. It feels so soft, really soft, not dry at all, not brittle. It's ready to be styled. But I only have this little piece or area of what people would consider to be heat damage. I'm not claiming heat damage right here. It's just I've lost some elasticity, and over time, after I get my moisture levels back up and give some treatments, it'll be back up like it's supposed to be. I ain't even worried about that. I'm not cutting it, that's for sure. I'll just do some styles that'll kind of mask this. Have you tried Olaplex? Let me know in the comment section. If you want to see more videos, please click the videos on the end screen, and I'll see you in the next video.